Alright, you guys, I'm freaking out right now. Today's the day that I'm receiving a very special delivery. And yeah, the RH8, the BRAP bunny, is officially done being wrapped. I know initially we were planning on the split wrap design, but after we tested that out, it really just did not look as good as I wanted it to or like I imagined. So we pulled an audible, and last minute I just decided to do the entire car neon yellow. It is my favorite color in the entire world. I am dressed for the occasion today. I want to match the car, and I'm so happy that this is going to be my first all neon yellow car. I cannot wait to see what it looks like. That is the biggest difference from our last video when we were talking about picking out the colors and design for it. We're going to start with a all neon yellow base, and then to go with a carbon fiber hood, I also want to do either carbon fiber on the roof or matte black. And then I'm going to end up getting a carbon fiber trunk, or that is the goal anyway. That is the vision. So yeah, today is the day that I'm getting a special delivery of the newly wrapped BRAP bunny. Something that's here. Holy crap! I'm freaking out! Of course I wanted the whole thing neon yellow! What was I thinking initially? Door jambs and everything, you guys. Look at this. Holy crap, it's so amazing! Obviously, up here, we already went ahead and wrapped the roof with matte black. It looks good. It really does look good, and that is the look I'm going for. I do think though I'm gonna want to change that to carbon fiber. I had a lot of people commenting about the really crappy carbon fiber sun spotted hood, and then the other thing everyone's freaking out about right now is wheel fitment, which I get you man, but a build starts in steps, okay? That is definitely not goals fitment. Oh my gosh, like every photo I posted, they're like, yo, you skip leg day or what, bro? Like what's happening there? Like, especially in the back, it's so bad. So no, that is not my wheel fitment. I'm working with a company I'm gonna announce very, very soon on the dopest custom rims. And with that, we're gonna be tackling fitment. We're not there yet, but we're getting there very soon. Yes, this needs to be replaced badly. And now that the car is looking dope, we can't have that. You know, we can't have this, okay? It's not gonna cut it at all. So I have a surprise for this car that I'm really excited about, and I cannot wait to show you guys.
Wow, that looks nice.
Dude, this is so nice! So this is it. This is my new hood from VIS Racing. Honestly, I ended up getting introduced to them through DTM Auto Body. One of the owners of VIS Racing was at DTM. He saw how horrible my current carbon fiber hood was and couldn't stand it. So immediately DTM connected us, and I'm actually working with VIS on the Sailor 7 car too, so I got my entire body kit for the Sailor 7 car from them. And now I'm getting their carbon fiber hood for the Rocket Bunny RX-8. I love this style. It looks very similar to the stock RX-8 hood, with the shape that's right here. This just has added vents on each side and it's carbon fiber, so it looks amazing. For me, the carbon fiber is gonna help break up all the craziness of the neon yellow. So I really, really wanted to keep carbon fiber showing. And that's why I was thinking I might wanna wrap the roof in vinyl carbon fiber and just put gloss over it to match this. And then I really think I'm gonna end up wanting the carbon fiber trunk by VIS Racing as well, but we'll see. I just need to get this on first. I freaking love the look of this, and yeah, it's a huge upgrade from my other one. Okay, I'm officially obsessed. I love this. I really don't think that video or photo is doing the VIS Racing carbon fiber hood any justice whatsoever. It looks incredible, and I absolutely know now that I do want the carbon fiber trunk. I think that's just going to bring this entire look together. There's a bunch of other carbon fiber accents that I want to get. Like they have carbon fiber panels for here. I think some carbon fiber door handles would also look really, really good. They also have like the carbon fiber eyelids that go right there. I'm going to be doing something very special with the mirrors. You can comment below and guess if you think you know what I'm doing, but there's almost no R8s out there that have this done with the mirrors. I've only literally seen like one or two online that have done what I'm thinking of doing with the mirrors. So your hint is I'm getting rid of these, or at least that's the plan. So we will see. I think I'm going to be getting rid of these mirrors and relocating them. Next steps are definitely going to be to start on rims, fitment, and accent color and logos. I'm thinking right now like a holographic, sparkly color, but what do you guys think? I'm thinking something a little crazy, maybe like a color shifting vinyl for the logos and for the banner up here. So yeah, comment below your ideas. But this is the next stage for the BRAP bunny, and I am absolutely obsessed.